And we're back. Good morning. Are we good now? We're not lagging, are we? Yeah, we're good now. Smooth criminal. Let's go. No lag. Sweep of the lows. Okay. Resetting here. Everything's going to be all messed up because TradingView is messed up. Me tabs are going to be messed up. 24. Okay, we're back. Rolling over here. Markets open. How do we gap? Let's see. Gap to the upside here on the PP news. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit right now. Thank you everybody for being here. No lag. I need to cancel my dial up. Yeah, I had Mrs. Otter outside of the igloo holding the antenna up. She's outside now of our igloo. She's got the polar bear skin on, so she's warm, don't worry, and she's definitely let's trade the orb today. Okay, let's trade the orb today. Opening range breakout. Let's go. We got our first high so far of our orb. You got to wait 15 minutes for the orb, lucky deal. Rolling over here. Big rollover. Coming down. Ooh, I like that. Big sweep. Big sweep. Big sweep. Looking to get long on the sweep. I'm going to get long off the sweep here. Half a position size. Looking to get long here. I'm in. We'll see. We'll see how she goes. Nice sweep. Into market open. Coming up to the VWAP. We reclaim. Can we reclaim the range? No reclaim. Okay, waiting. Coming down here. Can we get the bounce? Can we get the bounce in here? Looking to get long here. Rolling over. Rolling over here. And our bounce level, looking for this thing to bounce. Thank you everybody for being here. Can we get the bounce? Looking for the bounce in here. You got to have strength. You got to be bouncing. If it's not bouncing, you're not taking the trade. Okay? Waiting. Still waiting here. Little bounce. It's got to go here. Doesn't go here, we're not getting in. It's got to bounce. Seems like it wants to go. I could be tight here. I want to see 1 minute time frame here, rolling over. Trying to go here. Big rollover here. It's holding. It's holding. I like this. Let's go. Let's fire off a little long here. I'm going to get long here. Just a little one. Half a position size, looking for this to continue back up. See if we get the bounce here. It's got to push. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Go, baby. Got to push. Nice sweep down here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button. It's got to push here, man. Roll over, sweep. Looking to take this up to VWAP. We'll see if we get it here. Might have been rushed. It can still do one of these and then go. It's got to go. Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got to go. NASDAQ's going. S&P, indecisive. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Nice push here. Follow through up to the height. Let's go. Retesting previous lows right now. Retesting previous lows. V-shaped recovery intact if we reclaim this range. Okay. Pushing. Keep going, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Pushing back in here. Okay. I'm going to take that off. That's a juicy trade. Yummy, yummy. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. Nice trade, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. $350. Let's go. GG's, everybody. Let's go. $350. Nice scalp. Okay. Taking it off there. Looks like it wants to go to VWAP, but that's okay. I mean, that's a $500 day today. That's a $500 day today. And with a computer restart, man. We did it with a computer restart. We took the trade. There's our day today. Easy day. Keep the doctor away. We had a little puny scalp. $100 trade there. Right? There's our day today. 340, 133. Okay? Beautiful day. Beautiful day. This thing's going to go to the moon. That's okay, man. That is okay. Shout out to those who just took the long with me. Those who are quick. Those are all quick. Well done. Thank you, Dusty Hunt. Thank you for being here, man. Very nice. Let's go. Let's go. This could come up to VWAP here. We have acceptance back into the range. I would expect a little chop for now. We'll see. No drawdown. Got into that trade. We saw the strengths, right? When you see the strengths, it's okay to press buy. You don't have to press buy here. This is the thing. You don't have to press buy here. Pressing buy here is just as good. If you see this starting to reclaim V-shaped recovery, you see the strength here. It's an easy buy to come and take it into the middle, the hot dog of the range. The bun, the hot dog, right? Easy trade. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, man. We making money today. We making money today. What is PPI? It's PP flaccidity. Flaccidity. Gang. Another winner. You made $15 on that. That's okay. That's okay, man. It all starts somewhere. Up 2K in 10 minutes. Let's go. CG beats. Good morning, lasers. We just took a long trade from down here. I think this can go up, like we said, up into this golden pocket order block in here. That would be like my full target. I'm very happy with that, though. I ain't here to complain. Look at this push. Never complain about your profits. Keep going, Bitcoin. Also, it's like I just came back from restarting my computer and restarting the stream. Sometimes that can be like a mental thing, right? Like I'm doing all this other shit while trying to trade and talk to you guys. So it's like sometimes it's best for me to take my profits and run. It's a lot different when you're not live streaming, I would suggest. But a great trade nonetheless. Great trade nonetheless. You guys are pretty cool. Coming back down in here. So we have our orb now. So we're working on orb strategy. Opening range breakout. Now that's going to give us 2 horizontal lines. We got our one horizontal line and our other horizontal line. Now, we're supposed to be looking for a reaction within the orb. Okay, so the orb is going to let us. So this is our orb for the day. Okay. This is going to give us a direction. So if we look at what happened with our orb yesterday, you got the dump. We got our orb here. You retested the orb and you broke out. Okay, here's your orb breakout and continuation. You left the orb, you continuation. Okay. The other day you got your orb, you left the orb, continuation down. Okay, opening range breakout. So we have our opening range now. How we trade the orb is either we're looking for a breakout retest, we're looking for chop and then direction and then coming back to the orb. I'm working on it. New strategy to add to our scalping. I've done a lot of back testing, but I'm missing some things. Maybe I'll watch some more videos on it and just see what other people are looking at and then apply it to my strategy. You always got to be doing research. If you ever remember, you stick to your strategy that's working. Don't need to change that strategy, but it's always important to learn. And it's always important to try and find more opportunities to try and make money. Okay? This looks like continuation right now. Nice sweep in here. Nice sweep. I can't believe the stream just keeps getting slapped around, man. The stream just keeps getting slapped around. What can you do, right? Brewberry got rugged. Chopping in here. Can we continue? Can we continue? Previous day opens sticky, man. It's wild. I would expect continuation here after that sweep, right? You got how many sweeps are you going to get into this area? Chop in here. Just waiting. Good morning, farmer. How's it going, bro? Good to see you. It was bearish. The PPI was bearish today. Inflation going up. Scott, good morning to you. Orb breakouts, yeah. I like the orb strategy, yeah. Tim Tortellini. How much capital do you take? Yeah, there it is. Thank you, Tim, for posting the leverage and the setup. CG beats. We want it to pump, man, but you know it's just kind of lagging out here. Very choppy little range this morning. Nasdaq breakout right back in, wrecking everybody on the Nasdaq. Dixie rolling over a little bit. S&P flat. Okay. Very indecisive. You can tell the market is very uncertain of which direction it wants to go. We got retail sales tomorrow. PPI coming in hot. Okay. Retail sales tomorrow. I mean, all you have to do is to understand the market. You go on the daily, right? Look at the candles, okay? Look at the candles on the daily. Look at how shit these candles are. Look at them. From here onwards, they are absolutely trash. Okay, that's all you have to know about the market right now. It's right there. There's your market. Garbage. Up, down, up, down. Ever since the inauguration, Trump coin, ever since here, garbage, okay? Garbage. We'll see. Downtrend, garbage, okay? We're trying to hold and balance in garbage, okay? That's what Nono would say. It says garbaggio. Mert. That's shit in Italian. I absolutely hated price action this week. That's why we closed the trade so quickly right now. You had the sweep of the low, the bounce, close the trade. Now look at it. Just we'd be sitting here with Pamela Henderson hanging out, just waiting. Garbage. Hey, Alex, any advice for me? I consistently don't take profits even when 25% of my total account value. And then I end up getting stopped out for a small win / loss or big loss. So you have to have technical targets, Grandmaster Ape. Okay? You have to have intention. When you take a trade, you're putting on risk. Ask yourself before the trade, am I wanting to throw away my money, right? This trade here, right? We're looking to take it up to the order block into VWAP. We zipped up so quickly, came into the middle of the range and stopped. I'm like, okay, I'll take my profits. Okay? My risk is predetermined before I get into the trade. I know where I'm wrong. Okay? I know I'm wrong here. I'm not this is non-negotiable. Okay? Ever. You're never going to succeed if you don't make this a non-negotiable. Okay? You cannot be changing your risk. You should only be risking 1% per trade. And you should be trying to make a 3-to-1 trade, but if you take profits a couple times, it'll turn into a 2-to-1 trade. Okay? But you should be aiming for a 3-to-1. This could be a 3-to-1. For me, I had defined risk. I had an entry. I saw strength. I saw us come into the middle of the range. I saw enough profits. I've also taken 2 trades today. I'm happy to get away today with $500. No more trading for me. Done for the day, right? You got 250 trading days of the year. I mean, it's 365, but if you get 250 days times $500 a day, it's $125,000 a year. Okay? And if that doesn't make you happy, I don't know what's going to make you happy. 500 USD to Canadian. For me, that's $713 Canadian. Okay? 250 times 700. As a Canadian, I'm making almost $200,000 a year. That's a pretty good living. Okay? Not every day is like that, but a lot of days are like that. Okay? Take your money and run. Now, having key levels and key targets is going to be one thing. Also, when you're looking at market structure, you got to be like, okay, what's going on? What is the environment right here? This is Chop City. Indecisive. You got candles like this. Indecisive. They don't know which way they want to go. Right? So take your money and run. I could have taken 75 out here and I could have put stop loss to entry and let this thing ride. Okay? Taken 200 out. Right? And sat through this with stop loss at entry, and that's fine. Risk free, stress free. Okay? There's ways to do it. You got to find what does it for you. But round tripping after leaving profits on the table, we've been talking about that all week, is how this is a round tripping environment. But it's 3% moves, right? You got 3% moves. So you can make a lot of decent money within this move. It's just you need to be paying yourself, right? You look at this, we got our 3% moves all throughout here. There's our 3% moves. Round tripping price action. We know this. Ever since here. We've known it since here. Since we established this range. Buy low, sell high, right? So have targets. If you're getting long down here, you should at minimum have like a quarter target, a middle target, and a top target. That's how you should break it down. Break it down now, right? Now for me, obviously as a scalper, my targets get a lot tighter and smaller. So I'm looking entry, target 1, target 2, and Valhalla if it goes, right? And that's it. Like you have to have that plan ahead of time, and you have to be disciplined within that plan. Otherwise, you're going to leave money on the table or you're going to get stopped out. What is a good amount of capital to try and start growing an account? I mean, you can start with $100. Compounding accounts is not hard to do. You need to be okay with small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses, okay? Compounding, your equity curve should look like this, where you have maybe a big win, then a couple losses, big win, big win, big win, couple losses. It shouldn't look like this, okay? But you need to have small losses throughout. You need to learn how to take a loss. It's one of the hardest things that I have to I've had to learn is to how to just be committed to my stop loss. Trade the plan, be committed to my stop loss, and be okay with the risk. Be okay with this part. This part comes easy. Okay? But yeah, I started with a $1,000 account. I blew up $3,000 accounts. Then I took a $1,000 account to $5,000, and then the rest is history. So start with 500, start with 100, whatever you want. But you got to calculate your 1% risk. If you're compounding an account, you need to calculate your 1% risk. That is your job, is to manage your risk. It's your gas money to get to work. That's your gas money. This is what you make from work. But you need to be able to get to work. And that's it. All right. It's been a good day. Small wins, small losses. Be okay. You make $10 on $100 account. That's massive, right? Small wins. Keep it going. Trudge. Develop this skill. It's going to take time. You guys are great. I do appreciate you guys for being here, hanging out with me. 3 great trades today. Okay, 3 great trades. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. Subscribe if you are new here. Join the Discord. Come and hang out. We'd love to have you. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful day. Go and check out Brewberry. I'll send you guys the link in the chat, okay? Go and check out our other trader in our Discord. All right, God bless you guys. I'll send you the link. Bye.
Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an